One of my favorite memories at Mesa Water is from last fall when all of our staff and the board of directors was able to attend a ceremony at the Mesa Water Reliability Facility. This was a topping out ceremony where everyone signed the beam that was then raised in place at the top of the new building, and it was really special to be a part of something here at Mesa Water in the community that will be here for years to come. One of the projects that I'm most proud of here at Mesa Water is the recent upgrades to our fleet and equipment to ensure that our staff have vehicles and tools to do their jobs safely and efficiently. I think one of the most surprising things the community might find about Mesa Water is that we're a small agency of only 55 staff members. Considering how much goes into reliably providing safe and clean water, from advocacy to infrastructure to water quality testing, it's amazing to be a part of this dedicated and efficient team. Well, my current favorite water theme song is Midnight Rain by Taylor Swift. I've been listening to a lot of Taylor Swift lately, getting ready to go to a concert with my husband and my daughter this weekend. Go Swifties!